It had been raining all day Friday. Towards sunset, it stopped, and according to the forecast, it was going to stay dry. So I knew I'd get a little bit of water on my wing on the ground, but I figured once I got in the air, I'd dry it off, land back in the grass, and have a good flight. As you see here, as soon as I start to roll out, there are some drops on my GoPro. And the more I go, the wetter it gets. So we've had nothing but rain here in the Midwest for, it seems like forever. So this turned out to be a complete total wash. All I did was make one circle. The weather was beautiful as far as the temperatures, the wind, thermals, everything was great. The only problem was it rained. So had to make a quick go around, land. It took me all night to get the wing dried out. I did get to go Saturday morning on another beautiful flight, get the wing dried out. So that was okay, but I'd never had my wing this wet. It wasn't dangerous, it was just a light mist, but it was just enough to make it nasty to fly. And of course, you just don't want to fly with a wet wing. That's never a good idea. So stayed safe, stayed out of trouble, but very disappointed because the weather forecast lied. Hope you hit the like button, subscribe, let me know what else you'd like to see, and appreciate all the views and all the comments I get. Thanks for watching.